Hello, good morning, guys. So today I had a question about renovation. Should I spend a lot on renovation? Jeremy asked me this. He's a new host, so that's one of the questions new hosts get. Like think, okay, how much should I spend? Or what should I invest? Should I invest now? Should I wait to have like first bookings and to invest what I earn? To have like better standards. Okay, let me get this straight. Yes, you should invest. Does it mean that you have to spend a lot on investment and on renovation? First, it of course depends on your property. It depends on the state of the property that you bought. Is it in a good state already, or does it need a lot of things to do? Is it in a place where there is a lot of competition and do you need a higher standard than everyone else, or is it in a place where you don't have so much competition and you could invest more in like your personality, putting like special things in your place? But anyway, the thing is, it depends how much you will spend depends on where you're starting, your starting point. But what's not changing is the ending point, where you want to get. What you want to get is the 5 stars reviews. Of course, you will not get every time 5 stars reviews because we all know for experienced hosts that sometimes the guest will be picky, they will not like our place, they will not like some things. It happens to everyone. It happens more honestly at the beginning because there will be some things that you might have missed, and don't take the reviews, bad reviews, personally. Like really analyze them and see, okay, what could I do better so that I help my guests. Because when we do the renovation, when we start Airbnb, we think sometimes about ourselves, but you're not the customer. So think about the customer when you do the renovation, what people like. For instance, Jeremy, I know you're in Kuala Lumpur, what people like when they come to Kuala Lumpur. Also, what are the travelers coming to Kuala Lumpur expecting? And I know Kuala Lumpur is a very competitive place for Airbnbs. There are lots and lots of Airbnbs. I found an amazing one when I was there in January. So I know I would advise you to spend some money on renovation and on having a place which is special. Make it a special place, make it that people think, oh my God, I want to go there. Okay, and it also depends on what you have in your place. I don't know if you have a swimming pool like a lot of other people on Airbnb in Kuala Lumpur have. So it depends on the condominium where you bought your place. Does it mean that you have to spend a lot? No, it doesn't mean that you have to spend a lot. It means that you have to find good quality things and also to put some personal things. When I mean personal, it doesn't mean you have to put pictures of yourself in the place. It means that you have to put some a little touch which will make your place stand out in comparison with other places on Airbnb in your city, in your area, especially if you have a place which is very competitive. Put also some colors which are trendy. You can check on Pinterest, on Google, what are the like trendy colors. You might have noticed that right now the gold colors and the dark blue, between blue and green colors are very trendy. I would advise you for the renovation to use those colors for your place and invest in things that your guest will like. Again, it doesn't have to be a lot, it has to be high standard, high quality, because you want to like start on the right foot, have the nice reviews at the beginning, and then like of course you can always put some little touch more with the money that you will earn afterwards. But don't think, okay, I want to have the money back on investment first. No, invest first and you will have the return on investment if you do it the right way from the beginning. You want to stand out with a high standard from the beginning. And especially if you want to increase your night rate, that's the way to go. And I know that Jeremy, you specify that this is your goal. So that was it for today. Should I spend a lot? My reply is you should invest and have high standards. Does it mean that it has to be a lot of money? No, there are ways to make it not so expensive, but be sure that it's high standards. Especially, for instance, for the beddings, like people are coming to sleep, so have a like good pillow, have like the correct blanket, the correct sheets for your bed. Have a nice mattress as well, a good size mattress and everything. Okay, so that was it for now on should I spend a lot or not on renovation. Have a good weekend.